So when you log into Mathia for the first time, you're going to see that you have completed 0 out of 64 workspaces. There's going to be this list of what's called primary modules here. And when a primary module has secondary modules or modules that are tucked inside of it, they will show up over here. And I'll show you that in just a moment. But what I do need you to notice is that the first module is getting started, followed by module 1, module 2, module 3, which is named module 5. And then this last one, which is module 6, and then module 4. And so it's kind of weird because this name is module 1, matches module 1, module 2 matches module 2, module 3 is module 5, which you might be thinking, well, what the heck is going on there? This is the correct order that we feel is best for students at Harrison Middle School to go through this content. And so you are going to go through from top to bottom, so it will be in the order of 1, 2, 5, 6, 4. And so don't freak out and wonder, why is there no 3 and why is it skipping over 4 and putting 4 at the end? I did that on purpose for you. So once you get in here, you can click Getting Started. You'll see that over here on the side, this Let's Go appears. It says that I've completed 0 out of 1 workspaces. And once we get down into module 1 here, there's actually going to be a pretty big list of things over here. And so I'm going to go ahead and click Let's Go and show you what happens there. On this screen, you'll see some information about what you'll be expected to learn. You'll see some key concepts, and if you click on one of these things, it will show you what that vocabulary term means. But the big deal is, as we go through this, just click Let's Go and continue clicking Let's Go through all the workspaces as you go through them. So this one right here is the type of workspace that we call a concept builder. It's going to have solid circles right here, and as we go through these, those circles are going to be colored in green. Now let's say you start a workspace that's a concept builder like this, and you're like, man, I am really kind of confused and I need some help. I have already, or I'm going to, if I have not already, shared the course plan with you, and this is our course plan. So you'll see that this matches this Getting Started right here, and this Getting Started workspace are the same thing. So if you're needing some help or things like that, you come here, click Getting Started, and boom, there's a video of me doing the entire workspace. It always takes this darn thing a second to start for some reason. So I'm going to pause that there. I'm not going to make you sit and listen through this because, in truth, you'll likely be able to make it through this Getting Started workspace totally on your own. And I'm fast forwarding through the video a little bit because I want you to notice that up there in the upper right, these little bubbles are getting filled in as we go through. If it is a workspace where you have solid bubbles like this, it is a concept builder. And if it is a concept builder, the questions that I have in my video that I'm doing are going to be exactly like the questions that you get on Mathia. And so, again, concept builder, is what you see here when you go on is going to be exactly like what I get when I do my video. That's going to be an important piece for us. I'm going to go ahead and cut this video off now because I just wanted to talk about concept builder here and how the workspaces on Mathia are related to these pieces on the course plan. I'll come back and talk about masteries in a separate video.